try fire. What's your name? Hey yo! What's good? It's your boy Quality and I'm back with another YouTube video. Wagwan. I said I was gonna talk more patois as soon as I started back this channel. So I'm gonna try my best for speak my native language, which is Jamaican, you know. Saying I was gonna do that, but for some reason my American voice, you know, it's just out there more than my Jamaican voice. But we're gonna make that change this year. You know what I'm saying? You know what me I say? You know what me I say? Damn. I sound very white. So that's why I'm gonna make it my priority to make sure say I talk more patois, so all of my Jamaican and my Caribbean people them can really understand me more. Or you know, I'll just reach both audience by speaking proper and patois at the same time. You know, multi-talented, you don't know things already. It's been a little while since I posted my last video, which was in like December. So I think it's justified for me to say, yo, watch out. I did a 3-part series which was the game escape between me and James Mitchell. It was supposed to be a 3-part series, but due to the fact that my thumb drive decided to just break on me last minute before I got the chance to post the final video, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. I lost the footage for the last video, so I don't have a third video for it. It's really
makes me sad.
But it's really unfortunate that I couldn't get to post that video, because I really enjoyed filming it, editing it, and then putting it out so everybody could watch it, and then just for it to be lost to the gods or wherever that footage is. Anyway, it's gone, and to be honest, I'm really thinking about doing it again, like redoing the final battle. But that's only if you guys really want it. So hear me out. If you really want the final game between me and Mitchell that will determine who won this 3-part series, no matter who won before, then that's gonna be the end of it. So basically gonna do it again, because who knows who won the last game. We're just gonna run it back so I can give you this content, because I really want to give you it. But let me know in the comments below if you want me to do that for you, because if you want me to make that video, put it out and give you guys, I will do it. I am happy to give y'all it. Alright, I feel go down in the comment. Alright, matter of fact, I'm gonna give y'all a goal. Get this video to like 50 likes. 50 likes. I'm shooting for 50 likes. We have like 200, almost 200 subscribers. So I think we can shoot for 50. I've never asked for this before, but I think it would be good to get the channel going, to really help it build. So I'm shooting for 50 likes. If not, blow it up to 100. Alright, I would love that. Show me that you want that last video, game escape between me and James, and I'll run it back just for you guys. Alright, now with that said, the update is over. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing. I got a little unboxing prepared because I didn't want to just come on here and talk and not have content other than just me sitting down and talking to y'all. Now, I took the liberty to go pick up a little boxy box that was sent to me over from our friends from...
Oh, say less.
This is from Hardbody. This is the second Hardbody box. Look how big this... Got my name on it. Got my name on it. Raekwon Abrahams. That's pretty. It's a heavy ass box. I'm not gonna cap. Oh. It's heavy, alright? It's heavy. We're gonna go ahead, bust it open, see what's inside. Took the liberty of like popping it open when I got it so I could see that everything is inside. Shout out to Hardbody. Woo! Got some jewels in here. Alright, watch it now. The first thing we're gonna start off with is these stickers. What seems like, oh damn! Yo, Hardbody went crazy. Watch out. Yeah, watch out! Yo, to be honest, they do not disappoint when it comes down to stickers, alright? Look at this. Look at this. Look how many. Bro, please, look at this. But now I run out. Me, the man them, my friends, yo. Y'all getting hooked up, my G. Bro, got an all white vinyl. I don't think you can see it, only when you see it through the light, it's there. But it's a Hardbody sticker. Hardbody, it spells Hardbody, I promise you. Then you got that classic black on white Hardbody, you know. I like that. I always love that. Then they have like a new type of font. I like this. It's not like the regular ones that you could like paste on like it's not like a vinyl. It's different. This one's different. It's different. It's different. It's different. Damn, and they got smaller versions of the vinyl, the black and the white. You think it would be over, but check this out. Brother, what? So you notice how the last time I showed you the boards that had the big font Hardbody on it? Well, I believe this is what is used to give that font on your board. So if you have a board, like a blank board, like maybe you just left your board sponsor and you're just writing blank decks, you could go over at Hardbody and get yourself a hard ass board with just a vinyl sticker, my G. Look at that, look at that. Yo, brother, you see it? Just stop playing with me. Stop playing with Hardbody, alright? Stop playing.
Stop.
Look at how many, dog. My dude. Hey, if you see this video, hit me up. I'll give you stickers, alright? Best believe I'm gonna hook you up, alright? Alright, bet. He even sent another little note. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at this sticker. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. That's sick. Gee. He even wrote a little message on the back right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm reading it to you. It says, bless up quality. Me. Much love to you and your crew. He's talking about the man them, you know, my friends I skate with. He said, keep shredding. Hope to be in Jamaica this 2021. I'd really love for that actually. I would love that. I would love that. I would love to see you soon, my G. Hurry up and come down, the man. Yeah, Musa. Alright, first bag done. Oh my goodness. We got hats. We got hat. We got that classic. And you got a silver one. Different. Doing it different. And don't think I didn't notice these little details you put in the back. Yo, you can see that the owner of this company is definitely like really into his craft of skateboarding, and not just skateboarding, but also the clothing he makes for these skateboarders, because he has like a vision for it, you know what I'm saying? I can see it, just like on the jacket. I love this. This is one of my favorite little fonts of the jacket. I love that. I love this so much. It says Danny, of course, on this one. It says Danny on this one as well. Now it's time for the shirts. Ah, golly. White on black Hardbody shirt. Just a regular shirt. And then bam, you got the white version. Got that white version. Woo! It's bussin'. I'm definitely gonna hook up my friends with these. Alright, with that said, that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust two out the bag and show you what's inside, alright? So here guys, look, this is everything spread out on the bed, so you can basically get an idea of how fat Hardbody basically hooked it up for me and my friends. Shout out to Hardbody once again for hooking it up. Every time they send me a package, I can feel the love of how much they want to see us progress and skate and while look good doing it. So I just want to say thank you again to my friend over at Hardbody. Thank you. Now I feel like this video is missing something. It's missing a very key element to an unboxing of skate goods. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and go out and get some skate footage.